This is Pistil, a project that's near and dear to my heart. I built this for my sister, who is an aspiring author. She has had articles published about self-help and her experiences as a woman in the modern world. She came to me because she wanted a platform where she could not only share her work, but also collaborate with her community to publish work as well. She's not particularly tech-savvy, so she asked that she be able to easily post new work to her website and collect submissions from those who use her website. Pistil is a word she found in an old pocket dictionary, which means the female reproductive organ of a flower. She felt that this encapsulated the vibe of the publication she wanted to create, a bold but feminine place where women could come and share their stories and experiences. I designed this logo in 70s retro color scheme. I decided since she wanted it to feel like a collection of stories, I wanted the page to feel like a box of Polaroids, each representing their own story. With a click on each Polaroid, it will bring you to a story. Each article is complete with photos, ways to share, a title, the author, how they can be reached, as well as standout quotes and links to other content. This page is generated dynamically on as few inputs as possible and no coding required. To show how this works, we had to start with a user submission. Let's pretend for a moment that I'm a new user that would like to submit an article to be published. I have to head to the submission page and begin filling out the data. Upon entering the page, I'm told to tell my story. I can enter a cover photo, the article I've written, the title of my article, what I go by, my email address, and my Instagram handle. I can also insert a short pitch. About what my story is about. After agreeing to the terms and service, I can submit. My submission is confirmed with a congratulations. On the Pistil magazine side, the editor will receive a new email containing the image, the title, the pitch, and how to reach them. They can easily respond to the person just by clicking on the link. They can also download the picture and the new document. Now it's time to tell this story from the perspective of the editor. Back on the Pistil website, the editor will go to the admin page, where they'll be prompted to log in. Once they logged in, they have a few extra options. One is that all the articles will now have small circle X's in the corner, allowing the editor to delete articles that they no longer want to have published. Second, they have the new editorial section. The editorial section is much like the submission section, except it's for submitting a polished product. Here the editor will submit the photo, the polished article, the title, the author's name, the Instagram handle, and two new sections, quotes and tags. Quotes are pieces of the article that the editor thought stood out. They can add up to 3 of them. They can also add tags. This is for people being able to sort through and view what kind of articles they want to read. So some examples might be nightlife, stars. These change color based on how different they are from each other. If the words are too similar, they'll have the same color. Once all the tags have been added, the editor can submit. Our algorithm will use this data to generate a new web page and host it in the database for us. As you can see now, the photo has been put to the top. We've added in a share bar. The title has been put in and formatted, as well as the author and Instagram section. The article is now published, and the quotes that we have chosen are bold and lines next to where they appear in the article. For example, here. This is where this one shows up. Now the editor can delete one from the home page now that they don't want it anymore. Once they're done editing, they can log out. This would be a message for them. There's also a catalog page where users can search based on the tags. For example, music.